Term 2, Class 5, Subject Max, Unit 1, Topic Decimals. Introduction to Decimals. What is a decimal? A decimal is similar to a fraction. It's not a whole number. Rather than saying 1 by 2, we can say 0.5. Instead of writing 1 by 10, we can say 1/10 or 0.1. It's simply another form of a fraction. See, this is a decimal place value chart. In this, decimal point is given. The position to the left is called whole number part, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. The position to the right is called fractional part, that can be represented by tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So tens can be expressed 1 by 10, hundreds can be expressed as 1 by hundreds, thousands can be expressed 1 by thousands, 10,000s can be expressed 1 by 10,000s. Reading or writing decimals in words. So step 1. So read the digits to the left of the decimal point as a whole number. So decimal point ku left side இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் whole number, that is ones, tens and hundreds, okay, thousands, like that. Point decimal point right side, it's called fractional part. It can be expressed as tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Tens can be expressed 1 by 10, hundreds 1 by hundreds, thousands 1 by thousands. Okay, read the decimal point. அந்த decimal point வேர்டில் எப்படி ரீட் பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா and. Okay, like and unlike decimals. Two or more decimals are said to be like decimals if the number of digits in their decimal part is same. For example, 0.37, 4.39, 54.04. Next, 264.93. So after the decimal point there is only 2 digits. So it is a like decimal. Hello children. So today we are going to see the next unit, that is decimal part 2. Okay. So in part 1 I told about the introduction about decimal, isn't it? So today we are going to see decimals part 2. So before learning about decimal, we are going to learn about the decimal place value chart. Okay, so we studied Indian place value system and international place value system. Similarly, we are going to learn decimal place value chart. Okay, see here, this is a decimal place value chart. See, so this is a decimal point. So point to right side, point to left side. So point to right side, it is called fractional part. So it is called fractional part. So how will you pronounce this? Tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, the fractional part is pronounced like this. Tens, so T and 10, THS, tens. Hundreds, okay, 100 will be THS, hundreds. Then thousands, right? Thousand, add THS, thousands. So we are writing the number. Tens, how will you write? 1 by 10. In fractional part, I don't know fractional part, so 1 by 100, thousands by 1 by 1000. Similarly, decimal ku left side, it is called whole number part. Decimal ku left side, okay, this is whole number part. So ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, like the international Indian system, no, ones, tens and hundreds, like that. So ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So now we are going to write the numbers in this box. How will you write the decimal numbers in this place value chart? Okay, listen here. So next we see the example sum. Write 4.5 and 15.16 in the decimal place value chart. Okay, we are going to write the 4.5 and 15.16. The numbers are எப்படி decimal place value chart la எழுத போறோம். Okay, listen. So solution. So first you write the decimal place value chart. Okay, place value chart எழுதிட்டு see here first question is 4.5. Okay, so நான் சொன்னேன் point க்கு right side, this is right side number, this is left side, this is L, L means left, R means right. So point க்கு right side number la எப்படி எழுதணும், fraction, isn't it, fractional part. So இந்த point இங்க இருக்கு, so point right side number 1, only 5 is there, isn't it, it is, we have to write here. Okay, now point க்கு left side 4 எங்க எழுதுவ, இங்க எழுதணும். Okay, now listen. Now next question is 15.16. so இந்த number எப்படி எழுதுவ, 15.16. so I told you point க்கு right side numbers இங்க எழுதணும் 1 6. so 1 tens இது 6 hundreds. Okay, so tens hundreds. point க்கு left side ones tens, so you write ones place la 5, tens place la 1. Okay, so 15.16 இப்படி எழுதணும். Okay children, next children we are going to solve the exercise sum. Write the fractional and decimal expansion. So in decimal it has fractional and decimal part, isn't it? So listen, we are going to find fractional and decimal expansion. We are going to write. Okay, 4.5 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, இது என்ன பண்ணணும், fractional expansion எழுதணும். so point க்கு right side it is a fractional part, point க்கு left side whole number part. so 4. okay, 4 எழுதிற 4 வந்து ones place ல இருக்கு, isn't it? so ones, 4 ones, 4 into 1 4 ones. so decimal க்கு plus போட்டுட்டு point க்கு right side என்ன இருக்கு, it is a fractional part I told. so tens, isn't it? so என்ன ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது, tens, hundreds and thousands ல போகுது. point க்கு left side ones tens, so 4 into 1 4, so you write 4. point க்கு plus, so it is tens place, so fractional part ல எழுதணும். okay, so 5 by 10, this is your answer. 4 plus 5 by 10 is your answer. This is called fractional expansion. So next decimal expansion. So decimal means point la varanum. Okay, so 4 plus 5 by 10 fractional part decimal எழுதுறோம் 0.5. 0.5. so 5 by 10 can be expressed as 0.5. okay, let us see the next sum. 15.16. so first solution, fractional expansion. so fractional expansion, listen, fractional expansion that is equal to, so point க்கு right side tens hundreds, isn't it? point left side ones tens, so 10 plus 5 ones, 10 tens 5 ones. so the point என்ன சொல்லிருக்கேன், plus, so point to the right side it is a fractional part, so 1 by 10 plus 6 by 100. so 1 by 10 plus 6 by 100. so this is a fractional part. We are going to write the decimal expansion. so decimal expansion is equal to, so you write 10 plus 5 plus 1 by 10 can be written as decimal 0.1 plus 6 by 100 can be written as 0.06. okay, let us see the next sum. Next we are going to see the next sum. Convert into decimal. Convert into decimals. Fractional part கொடுத்து decimals ல convert பண்ண சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, so 4 by 100. 4 by 100 is a fraction part, isn't it? We are going to write this as a decimal part. So எப்படி எழுதணும்? So you first count the number of zeros in the denominator. Okay, denominatorல 100 இருக்கு. 100ல எத்தனை zero? 2. So என்ன பண்ற? You write the numerator. Okay, so numeratorல 2 place பின்னாடி இருக்கு, left side 2 place வரணும். So already 4 இருக்கு. So you add 0. இப்ப 2 place ஆயிடுச்சு. So 0.04 is the answer, decimal number. So 2 place denominatorல 2 0 இருக்கு. So left side இங்க பாயிண்ட்க்கு அர்த்தம். So left side 2 place 0, 2 place move ஆகுது. Okay, so 0.04 is the answer. Similarly, see here 9/1000. You count the number of zeros in the denominator. Denominatorல எத்தனை? 3 0 இருக்கு. So 3 number 9 கூட இன்னும் 2 zeros சேர்த்தா 3 digits ஆச்சு. So 009. So point எங்க வரணும்? இங்க வரணும். 3 digit தள்ளி 1 2 3. Okay, so 0.009 is the answer. So 1000 3 0 இருக்கு. So மேல நியூமரேட்டர்ல இங்க பாயிண்ட் வரணும். பின்னாடி இருந்து 3 place. So 9. So 2 place 10s place கிடையாது. இங்க இல்ல, so பின்னாடி இருந்து. Okay, this is the answer. Similarly, see here 46/1000. So 50 is a whole number. You write 50 as such. 50 அப்படியே வச்சிட்டு whole number part 50 point. Okay, so இந்த 46 எப்படி எழுதுவ? See, as usual. So 46 divided by 1000. So 1000ல 3 0 இருக்கு. So 3 number left sideல point வரணும். So already 4 6 இருக்கு, isn't it? So இங்க ஒரு நம்பர் இல்ல, நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? 0. இப்ப 3 digits பின்னாடி 1 2 3. So point இங்க வரும். So 50.046 is the answer. Okay, similarly here 40 is the answer. 40 வந்து whole number part, அது அப்படியே வச்சுக்கணும். 40 point whole number part. So point 612 divided by 1000. Already 3 digit இருக்கு. 1003 0. So 612. So 3 digit இருக்கனால அப்படியே என்ன பண்ணலாம்? அப்படியே எழுதலாம் அந்த நம்பர். Okay, next see the next sum. Convert into fractions. Convert into fractions. So 3.5 solution. So இது என்ன? டெசிமல்ல கொடுத்து ஃபிராக்ஷன்ல கன்வெர்ட் பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So listen, பாயிண்ட்க்கு அப்புறம் எத்தனை டிஜிட் இருக்கு? ஒண்ணே ஒண்ணு. So you write 35 divided by 10. So next see 0.125. Okay, once again I repeat 3.5 டெசிமல்ல கொடுத்து ஃபிராக்ஷன்ல கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணனும். So ஃபிராக்ஷன்ல எழுதும்போது டெசிமல் பாயிண்ட் வரக்கூடாது. So பாயிண்ட்க்கு right side how many digits? Only 1 digit. So you have to write only 10. 2 digit means 100. 3 digit means 1000. So பாயிண்ட்க்கு right side 1 digit இருந்தா 10, 2 digit இருந்தா 100, 3 digit இருந்தா 1000. So you write 35 divided by 10. Okay, similarly B question. See here answer. So you write 721 numerator. Okay, so point எழுத கூடாது. Divided by point க்கு right side how many digits? 2 digits. So 2 digits means I told you 100. Okay, this is the answer. Similarly third question 0.125. So point க்கு right side எத்தனை digits இருக்கு? 1 2 3. So 3 means I told you 1000. 3 zeros இருக்கணும். So you write 125 divided by 1000. Okay, this is your answer.